Let's explore the highest paying jobs for immigrants in the US. When it comes to finding lucrative job opportunities in the United States, immigrants have some intriguing options. Here are some of the top paying jobs that can offer substantial earnings and stability. Let's start with the evergreen profession of gardening. It's a rewarding job, not just for the soul but also for the pocket. Gardeners, particularly those who are undocumented, find this job an excellent option. With hourly wages ranging between $14 and $25, it's possible to rake in around $39,000 annually while enjoying the outdoors and making things grow. Next up, we have the role of a fruit or vegetable packer. This might come as a surprise to some, but packing produce can be quite profitable. In this line of work, individuals can earn from $12 to $25 per hour. Over the course of a year, this translates to an average income of about $40,000. It's a job that combines physical activity with the satisfaction of contributing to the food supply chain. Moving on, let's talk about the waste pickers, or garbage recyclers. While many Americans shy away from heavy or unpleasant work, this job has become a mainstay for many immigrants. Despite its challenges, the pay is quite attractive, ranging from $20 to $50 per hour. On average, this means earning around $43,000 per year, making it a surprisingly lucrative occupation. Cleaning jobs also feature prominently on this list. Though often considered tough and generally avoided by many, these jobs provide steady income. Workers in this field can expect to earn between $13 to $25 per hour, which can amount to an average annual salary of $44,000. It's a job that, while demanding, offers reliable and consistent earnings. Topping the chart is construction work. This sector is a powerhouse of employment for immigrants in the US. Construction jobs not only pay well but also require both skill and physical stamina. Despite the hard work, the average salary stands at about $49,000 per year. This makes it one of the most lucrative fields for immigrants, combining decent pay with the opportunity to build and create tangible results. In summary, while some of these jobs might involve hard labor and long hours, they offer significant financial rewards. For many immigrants, these roles provide a pathway to a stable and prosperous life in the United States.